So Armada, this is a technique from Capoeira, okay? So I'm going to apply this from my southpaw stance. So I like to throw techniques to lead into this. This is a really good move for close range, actually. It's a very close range spin kick. Okay, so what's happening is I can pivot or step. I'm going to step, hands up, turn. Now here's the thing about this move. I need to turn full facing. Now from here, it's a crescent kick. Okay? Now what I can do when I kick is I can actually curl back my toes and hit with a heel. I can actually throw the technique from here and still hit my opponent. Whereas if I'm using a spinning heel kick, I have to be at a little bit further of a distance. So again, going through the move. Hands up, stepping over, turning my shoulders and my hips to where I'm full facing. Now, my foot is going to come up just a little bit, not too far up, and over. Here to here. And then I end up back in my southpaw stance. And you're turning, turning, turning a little further, and now it's just going to come up like a crescent kick and back. That's absolutely right. Now, you may be thinking this won't work, but I know for a fact it works. So what's happening is, if we're close range, like super close range, I can actually throw the spin kick from here, okay? That looks weird, okay? Do you want to back up, Chris? Okay, that's the thing. So one of the really good methods is if I throw a hook and he just backs up, or ducks, it doesn't matter, actually duck. One of the things that I've seen people get caught on this is he goes underneath and then stands right back up into the Armada, okay? Or he backs up, yep, and then where we are. Do you want to actually back up a little bit so I'm going to miss? Okay. So as I'm here, okay? Now fast, if you just stand like a step back for me. When I'm here, okay? And like I said, I can hit close range and I can curl back my toes and hit with a heel. So we're here again, Chris. A jab, get him to back up. Okay, turn, full facing. Okay? So that's the application of the Armada. It's great for your throwing after a hook or a jab, and this spin kick will work where other spin kicks won't because you can throw it from much closer.
It is actually extremely effective for dealing with boxing type fighters. Because they're big on their head movement, bobbing and weaving.
Absolutely.
Because you're going to throw your hook, they're going to either lean back or do a U-slip under it, and they're going to get right back up to try to counterpunch, and that's when you hit them with the technique.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's done mainly in a sequence.